Welcome to our YouTube channel, to the next episode of RaceChip Insights. As you can see, in this episode, we're gonna compare the Golf 8 GTI, which is our show car, against the BMW 128i. Product for the Golf 8 GTI is finished since a couple of months already. BMW 128i we developed actually this week, and in this episode you're gonna see a lot of facts about the development itself. Engine BMW 2.0T B48. BMW claims 265 horsepower in stock and 400 Newton meters of torque. Engine VW Golf 8 GTI 2.0 TFSI in its fourth generation. As you can see, for our show car, orange harness and orange case. Only for our show cars though, sorry. In terms of performance figures, 245 horsepower in stock, 370 Newton meters claimed by VW. With our tune, 310 horsepower now. So when it comes down to the interior, I personally don't like it at all. The UI is not really intuitive, and I mean, on the first look it looks really good, really clean. However, as mentioned, how you get to certain points which you want to go in, like deactivate, start, stop and stuff like that, is complicated. You need a lot of time to get into the correct menus. So for me, biggest negative point on the Golf 8 GTI. BMW, I have to say I really like it. Everything is well organized. You know what you have to do to get where you want. But of course I have to mention I'm driving a BMW myself, so yeah, obviously I like the interior from BMW. However, point goes to BMW in my opinion. Welcome back to our dyno with the brand new, or not so new, BMW 128ti. It took quite some time until we got the chance to get our hands on one, but we are taking the time as we are developing the product and the software for each kilowatt variant of this engine, particularly in this case the B48. And in terms of stock performance, the car is claimed by BMW with 265 horsepower and 400 Newton meters in stock. We measured the car now with 275 horsepower, so 10 horsepower more than claimed, and 399 Newton meters. So car is basically spot on. So yeah, after a week of development, we finished the final product, and I would say I'm gonna show you the final results now. So, Leistungsmessung. Oh, falsche Sprache. So performance figures BMW 128i after we finished the development. Took us around 1 week to finish the software as we tried different versions to get the best output possible. But with this result we are really happy. Everything looks really good, ignition timing, air to fuel ratio and so on. So this is the maximum power we are running on our Map 7. 317 horsepower, 463 Newton meters of torque, nice gain all over the RPM range. What has been engine power before is now wheel horsepower, which is always really awesome. Really smooth all over the RPM range. I'm gonna change it to RPM. Just give me a second. Oh, it's better now. So you can see RPM now down there. Yeah, as mentioned, really solid performance increase. If you compare it directly to the Golf 8 GTI, Official figures by VW are 245 horsepower, but we measured our car with 265 in stock already. So quite a bump, and I guess you can compare it to the 128i pretty good. With the tune, we are running now 310 horsepower on our VW Golf 8 GTI, BMW 128i 318 horsepower. So both cars are really close to each other in terms of performance figures. So I'm really looking forward to the 100-200 runs.